We're back with Bob Golic, talking about the new revolutionary green roofing breakthrough that's saving homeowners tens of thousands of dollars versus expensive roof replacements by extending roof life up to 15 years, guaranteed. Bob, I hear about Maxx of Cleveland everywhere I go now. So why are so many homeowners choosing Maxx?
Yeah, and look right there. You can see how many there are. It's consumer awareness, Brenda. Consumers know now that the roof is not a throwaway product. You don't junk your car if it needs an oil change, you service it. Roofs are no different, and now consumers know it. Homeowners are no longer forced into expensive roof replacements. The new way is roof restoration, and it's saving Cleveland homeowners a fortune.
15 to 20-year-old roofs. Is it too old for Maxx?
9 out of 10 roofs can be restored with Maxx. So if you don't know the current condition of your roof, I'd urge you to call the number on the screen to schedule a free roof inspection today. It won't cost you a dime.
And if you mention RESTV,
$500 off coupon.
call them today.